Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will discuss about classification, aims and principles. We know that there is a large collection of dissimilar forms of organism found on earth, present on the earth. Over 1.5 million types of animals, 0.5 million types of plants, and the range of animals complexity from simple bacteria to complex human beings. We know that bacteria consist of only one cell, unicellular organism, and human beings have trillions of cells. So they form a complex structure. They form by combination of cells form tissue level, next organ level, organ system level. These levels are found in human being because they are complex. Each animal has its own way of life. For example, finding place to live, method of getting food, avoiding unfavorable environmental conditions, and reproducing its kinds, reproduction. So many diverse kinds of organisms are present, so it becomes difficult to learn about the characteristics of each. To study large collection of living organism, biologists classify into groups and subgroups, divide organism into group and subgroups known as biological classification. This is known as biological classification. Next, aims of classification. Before learning aim, we discuss two branches of biology. The first branch of biology is known as taxonomy. Taxonomy deals with classification of organism. Only when we are discussed about classification, then it is known as taxonomy. Classification into groups and subgroups. And when we discuss about the branch of biology that deals with the classification and also evolutionary history of organism, evolutionary history from where organism was started, it is known as systematics. The aims of classification are to determine similarities and differences among organisms so that they can be studied easily. And second aim is to find the evolutionary relationship among organisms. What is evolutionary relationship among organisms? One organism relates to another organism. So these are the aims of classification. Today classification aims and principles, we discussed 1.5 million types of animals and 0.5 million types of plants. Range of complexity of animals, simple bacteria to complex human beings, living organisms. Each has its own way of life. To study large collection of living organisms, biologists classify into groups and subgroups, divide organism into groups and subgroups known as biological classification. Deals with classification only into subgroups and subgroups known as taxonomy, and deals with classification and evolutionary history is known as systematics. The aims to determine the similarities and differences among organisms and to find the evolutionary relationship among organisms. So for more videos, click like button and subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Thanks.